Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sapna Aggarwal, Creative Director at ANSA Architecture and Interiors. And today I am going to give you 7 easy ways to make your home look and feel more luxurious, high-end and expensive. I'm just sharing a few of my designer hacks today in this video to help you out. Choose a neutral paint. Choosing a neutral paint color instantly makes your home look high-end. But here's what's more important. Using a neutral paint color on your home walls gives you a blank canvas to work with. You can experiment with different colors and textures in furniture, rugs, and so on. I somehow absolutely love neutral paint colors because they are often timeless and even make your space feel bigger. But keep in mind, even something like a basic white color comes in many shades. Just choose a nice warm white color for a cozy, luxurious look. Second, use a rule of three while styling. I think the most important and easy way to make your home look expensive is by styling it well. When styling your home, use the rule of three. The rule of three says that you must group decor items of various shapes, sizes, or textures in a group of three. Doing so gives you a dynamic angle and layers to space. Say, for example, if you're thinking of placing a vase in the corner, then try having a larger vase with stem going higher along with one much smaller vase and then one of a medium size. You can really buy decor pieces from anywhere and make it look luxurious just by styling them like a designer. Third, match your dishes and cutlery. Honestly, just focusing on this little detail in your house, ensuring that you have a matching dishes and cutlery makes a lot of difference to the overall look and the feel of your house. It's really an easy change you can do anytime. I would recommend this even with things like towels. Try to match them. It creates a huge difference. Fourth, focus on the furniture layout. While placing the furniture in a room, think of a focal point and organize starting by there. Simply pushing a sofa against a wall and adding a matching seating arrangement is just so boring and will somehow instantly kill the look of the space, even if you're using very high end furniture pieces. Just be a little creative with furniture layout, make it look balanced and somehow a symmetrical view, whether it's a living room or a bedroom, just makes your space look more designer. Remember, I think it's all about styling more than the cost of the furniture. How you style is more important. Fifth, pick a scent of your home. Think of yourself walking into a five-star hotel. Do you really only feel things, or do you remember the smell of the hotel? A big part of luxury five-star hotel experience is the scent. You walk into a space and if it smells good, it instantly feels more luxurious, more warm. The scent is really another element of design of luxury homes for us. Scented candles, aroma oil diffusers are my top choices to make a home smell good. Sixth, add more lighting. Add lamps to your home. Floor lamps, table lamps, wall lamps. Experiment with all of these. Ceiling lights are good, but adding even just one lamp to a room can make it feel more homely and luxurious. Seventh, declutter and organize. Lastly, one of the cheapest and easiest way to make your home look more expensive is to simply declutter and organize. When we are working on home designs, we pay extreme attention to storage spaces and how everything is organized. It's because a well organized home instantly oozes out a very luxurious vibe. You may just need to add more storage space or just a few organizers to make it easier for yourself to tidy up. And there you go. There are 7 easy ways to make your home look expensive. Which of these 7 tips are you going to use for yourself? Tell me in the comment box below. For any kind of professional architecture and interior design consultancy, connect with us at ansainteriors.com or call us at 98106 30334. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more videos and see you next week.